Having a Nintendo Switch that doesn't connect to a TV can be very frustrating, so let me help you resolve the issue.
Now, before we jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to check us out on eBay at GameXTC. You'll get valuable information on leveling up your video game hardware and software.
The first thing we want to do is to take the Switch out of the dock. We want to ensure that the AC adapter has been connected correctly and that your HDMI wire is going into the HDMI out. Once that's done, we want to ensure that the TV has been set to the correct HDMI input channel. When you place your Switch into the dock, you need to ensure that your Switch is on. If it's not coming on, then 9 times out of 10, it's because your Switch doesn't have any charge. And if that's the case, it wouldn't work. So your Switch has to have enough charge. The problem may be caused by a faulty Switch dock, so you should check if the Switch dock is problematic. First, you want to remove your Switch from the dock and check to see if there's any damage on your Nintendo Switch around the USB-C area. Once checked, take a look inside the dock and check to see if there's any dust or foreign objects preventing the Switch from sitting correctly. If none of these solutions work, then try a soft reset. Press and hold the power button until the device turns off. Ignore any prompts that may come up. Then press and tap the power button once so it powers back on. Try plugging your charger directly into the Nintendo Switch. This will prove that the USB-C port works perfectly fine. If all fails, you can always call Nintendo and speak to their customer support, especially if you're still within your warranty period. If you're technical, you can take a look inside the docking station. Let me show you how you do that. First, you want to remove the 8 screws from the back by using a tri-wing screwdriver. If you like this video and you're benefiting from the tips that we're sharing, please give it a thumbs up. Remove the circuit board, but be careful because there's 2 clips holding it down. You then want to unclip the ribbon and carefully unplug the red and black cable connecting the circuit board with the dock housing. Take a look at the circuit board and see if there's any obvious signs of bad connections. Now let's undo the remaining 9 screws, which can be done with a Phillips head. Then gently pull the housing apart. This part of the dock looks okay. The spring feels fine, the cable looks like it's intact, but let's undo the final 4 screws to see what's happening. Another reason for it not to be working could be due to a faulty cable, and as you can see, it's relatively easy to change. Then you put everything back together again.